Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and I am back with a very good news for you. CBSE has provided you the sample paper for rationalized syllabus for 2021. You can see here sample question paper 2021. Here you can see sample question paper for 2021 English core class 12 rationalized syllabus, that is 70% syllabus. You know very well 30% of your syllabus is reduced by CBSE. So let's see what is given in this rationalized syllabus sample paper. That will be of 80 marks. I have already told you 80 marks, 40 marks for part A, 40 marks for part B, and 40 marks will be given to MCQ questions. I have provided all the chapters in form of MCQs. So let's see. Time allowed 3 hours, maximum mark 80. General instructions. This paper is divided into two parts, A and B. All questions are compulsory. Separate instructions are given with each section and question wherever necessary. Read these instructions very carefully and follow them. Do not exceed the prescribed word limit while answering the questions. If it is written 30 to 40 words, do not try to exceed. Part A, that is 40 marks. This will be MCQ type. MCQ, multiple choice questions. So let's see. First question, read the passage given below. Have to attempt 10. 1 into 10, that is 10 marks. You can see here 10 marks. This is the passage, your sample paper. This is CBSE sample paper. CBSE has provided. On the basis of your understanding of the above passage, answer any 10. Any 10. From the 11 given. There are 11 given below. 11 questions are given. You have to attempt 10. Father's question to the narrator about knowing how to cook rice was intended to. After reading the passage, you can easily answer it. Next question, second, then third, fourth, in the same way. Which option represents the correct ratio of water to rice for cooking perfect rice? It is mentioned in the passage itself. You can easily answer it. Here, for visually impaired candidates, if you are visually impaired, that is for you. Otherwise, this is not for you. Next one, 9, 10, in the same way 11. Second one, read the passage given below. Second paragraph. Second passage that is given here with some data as well. Bar graph you can see. There will be questions. On the basis of your understanding of the passage, answer any 10 out of 11 questions given below. 1, 2, in the same way, MCQ questions are going to be asked. You can easily have a look here. Here, 11. And then, for visually impaired candidates, in lieu of question 2A. Literature. We have already discussed about 20 marks. Remaining 20 marks from literature. Read the extract given below and attempt any 2 of the 3 given, answering the questions that follow. 4 plus 4, that is 8. So let's see. First is, food is more important for survival than an identity. From Lost Spring, you can easily find out if at the end of the day we can feed our families and go to bed without any aching stomach. The questions are given. The phrase transit home refers to the dwelling that are, transit means temporary. You can easily answer it. Identify the figure of speech used in sentence. Garbage to them is gold. So what is this? Hyperbole, simile, synecdoche, personification. You can easily answer it. Choose the term which best matches the statement food is more important for survival than the identity. Immortality, necessity, obligation, ambition. You can easily find out the answers. Next one, that is B. You have to attempt. They had merely heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them. From Indigo, chapter 5, was in trouble with the authorities. The officials felt powerless because. You can easily answer these questions. Such type of questions are going to be asked in your examination. So this is, I am just telling you what are the types of questions that are going to be asked. In the same way, now see, Jo was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window at the crack of day that soared under the shade. She thought the story was all over. Jack did not like women. When they took anything for granted, he liked them apprehensive, hanging on his words. So this is taken from Should Wizard Hate Mommy, the story of Joe and Jack. There are questions 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, read the extracts given below and attempt any one of the two given by answering the questions that follow. Two given, you have to attempt one. Here, on sour cream walls, an elementary school classroom in a slum. Sour cream walls, donations, Shakespeare's head, cloudless at dawn, civilized dome, riding all cities, bald flory. You know very well. Our questions. What does the expression sour cream walls suggest? Sour cream walls, dirty white, display of donated artifacts on the walls, badly maintained walls, wall to wall furniture, a poor choice of paint for walls, badly maintained walls. In the same way, there will be questions. Next one, B, you have to attempt only one, either A or B. We have imagined for the mighty dead, all lovely tales that we have heard are read, an endless fountain of immortal drink pouring unto us from the heavens brink. From where a thing of beauty is a joy forever, by John Keats. So you can easily answer such questions. Now, the next question that follows, attempt any 8 questions from the 10 given below. 10 will be given, you will have to attempt 8. The writer tones down the philosophical load inherent in the trap with the inclusion of from your textbook. There will be 10 questions, 10 MCQ questions. I have told you, I have already provided you the MCQs. So there are 10 questions, you have to attempt 8. And furthermore, part B. What is going to be asked in part B? Writing section. Attempt any one of the following. Analysis using appropriate format and fluency, appropriacy of style and tone. 1 into 3, that is 3 marks. You are Samira or Samir, the owner of Pink Flower, a cafe run only by women. You are looking for an interior designer to design the interiors of the cafe. Draft a suitable advertisement for the same in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of the National Daily, the local newspaper. Otherwise, president of wellness cell of your school, you decide to organize a workshop to raise awareness of the importance of mental health. This workshop would be conducted by the school counselor. Write a notice. So either advertisement or notice, that will be asked in 3 marks. Then next question, attempt any one of the following, that will be of invitation. You are going to write an invitation. You are Dr. Stanzin, a certified art therapist from Leh. Then you will be asked to write invitation. There will be 2 invitations given and you will have to attempt only 1. 2 दिए जाएंगे आपको, एक ही करना है. Next one, attempt any one of the following. So what is this? You are Subhar Krishna Mohanty residing in Subhadra apartments, and then write a letter to the editor. There are only 2 letters in your syllabus, only 2 types of letters. Some graphics also given here, you can see how to manage waste at home. Explaining your concern along with the rationale behind the importance of garbage segregation. Suggest ways in which the RWAs can participate in this program. Furthermore, you are Ami or Azhar Sarkar of 83 Model Town, Guwahati, Assam. You are a sports enthusiast. Rangsala School, Guwahati, has advertised the requirement of a sports teacher in the local newspaper. Now you are going to write a job application. Responding to the given advertisement, submitting your candidature with a detailed biodata. So only 2 types of letters are there in your syllabus. I have already told you, letter to the editor and job application. Next one, attempt any one of the following. While reading about new places and searching for them online has its merits, the advantages of actually traveling to various destinations far exceed them. Write an article in 120 to 150 words for the magazine Travel Times, evaluating both these options. You may use the cues given below. Cues are given. You can use it while writing your article. Otherwise, the second one will be report. Article or report. You have to attempt only one. These 2 will be given in your examination question paper. So you have to attempt only one, whether article or report. Next question from your literature. 24 marks. Attempt any 5 out of the 6 questions given below in 30 to 40 words each. What does Neruda mean? Keeping quiet, you know very well. An exotic moment without in his poem, Keeping Quiet. Explain the metaphor of the rat trap in context of the story by Selma Lagerlof. Kamla Das speaks of an old familiar ache. My mother at 66. What do you think is the reason for this feeling? Comment on the significance of villagers sitting at the back in Mr. Hamel's classroom from the last lesson, the very first lesson in your textbook. Little has moved with time, it seems, in Firozabad. Lost spring. State any one reason while the writer says this. Anis Zung says this. How does the poet use the image of fingers fluttering through the wool to highlight Aunt Jennifer's victimization from Aunt Jennifer's tigers? Next one, attempt any 2 out of the 3 questions given below in 30 to 40 words each. 2 into 2, 4 marks. In the letter to Charlie, Sam writes, the third label, the very first lesson in your Vistas book. Then I got to believing you were right. What could have made Sam begin to believe? Next question from Ivan Streisand O level. Next question from enemy, the enemy. Sadao's acceptance from the enemy. Next one, attempt any one of the following in 120 to 150 words. Only one you have to attempt. The story Deep Water by William or Orville Douglas. Second one, how does the story Rat Trap highlights the importance of community over isolation? And now last question in this question paper, that will be of 5 marks. Attempt any one out of following question in 120 to 150 words. Mr. Lamb calls on the face of it. Mr. Lamb and Derry, these 2 characters are there with 3 scenes in the play. Now last question, with respect to the events in the story, should Wizard hit Mommy, Joe and Jack? Who would you support, Wizard or Mommy? Justify your choice.